Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another video. I have a good one for you today. I got some deals for you, good way to get you started, going along with the theme of just getting started, taking action, and making some money online. Alright, so today's video is obviously going to be about hitting the like button. So go do it, takes 2 seconds, helps me out a ton. No, but seriously, the video is going to be about Jungle Scout reaching out to me and giving me an opportunity to help you guys. They recognize that I help you guys out. Of course, long-term level of Jungle Scout here, and they're one of my only affiliations actually, so they pay me small commissions every time that someone buys it through my link. So it is a great way to support the free content as well if you're already looking into starting Amazon FBA. So as usual guys, we're here on the YouTube channel. Of course, you guys, you know what this is. You spend every waking moment of your life on this channel. Of course, it's one of the best ones out there, so you should definitely subscribe if you haven't already. But let's just click onto a video. So you'll be watching a video already. Kevin David driving a Lamborghini. Get out of here, dude. What? Okay, that's kind of funny. What are you doing there, buddy? What we can actually do is come down and hit show more. And of course, if you haven't taken the course already, it's a free course, donation-based course at least. You could pay whatever you can afford. It's a full course, guys, everything you'll need to start Amazon. But when we come down, now this will say something else because this is the first video that the link will be in, but it is just probably going to say Jungle Scout. And when you click on this link, which you can do so now if you don't have Jungle Scout already, you could come up and it'll bring you to this page. This is going to be the landing page, and it's a special offer that you can only get with this link. So you won't be able to get this just from going to Jungle Scout. It's not available anywhere else. And here's the cool thing. So you'll be receiving the Pro Jungle Scout Chrome extension, the $70 per month web app, that includes Niche Hunter, tracking products, supplier database, up to 3 users instead of 1, different laptops, share it with people, for $279. Now, let's do the math on that because, well, I've kind of already done it, but we'll break that down. The Pro seller, the Pro Chrome extension is $197 normally, and then it includes 3 free months of the $70 web app. So if we did, it's actually 69, oh my God, math, 69.99, that's a 6. It's going to be similar times 3. That's $209. And then plus the Chrome extension, the Pro one, I keep doing this wrong. It's $406. If you choose that one, it'll explain it a little bit better up here. 1 year of the $197 Chrome extension at a reduced rate. The $69.99 a month free for 3 months. So the cool thing is, with Jungle Scout being a monthly service, I find, and this is actually what I did, I actually pay $69 a month because I love the Niche Hunter and the available tools. So I don't actually mind paying that much per month for Jungle Scout. I definitely think it's worth it. If you're in a situation where you're just starting, take advantage of this reduced price advanced Jungle Scout web app, because you could find a product with the web app in 1, maybe 2. If you're not so hot at product research, it might take you 3 months to find a product. And then you could just bump yourself down to the lower one, right? So you don't have to stay at that. You could control your subscription and go down to the lower rate, which is $39 per month. And for those of you who already have the Chrome extension, so maybe you don't need the starter bundle, if you haven't pulled the trigger on getting the web app yet, this is also a great option to take a look at. So so this is actually $100 off essentially. It's the $69.99 per month web app, and you get to pay for just 4 months for $179. It would have been $279. So that's definitely something to look into there if you already have the Chrome extension. But this is a really good opportunity for those of you, I just made a video yesterday talking about how people have this fear of starting and how I'm able to overcome that, right? Through the use of looking at life kind of through the viewpoint of I'm more afraid of the consequence of what's going to happen if I don't start than if I start, right? So we could go down the path. If I start, I might fail a couple times, I might lose some money, but I'll be able to rebound. Maybe I pick up another job and use all that just for Amazon FBA funding. And then eventually I'm gonna hit it, right? Some people get it on their first product. Some people I know, like Tanner J. Fox, launched like 4 or 5 products before he got it right. Now look where he's at, right? He's making $500,000 a year in profit on Amazon. If you have that fear of starting, Jungle Scout was the way that I started. And I do owe Jungle Scout a sincere thank you in that point, because I was watching these videos on YouTube, and then I finally just kind of bought their Chrome extension. I bought the web app and I started looking. In that same month, I got the momentum and the excitement that I needed through finding all these products, being able to see how much money people were making, and actually starting. So I think this is a great starting point. People have been also asking me, like, what is the best place to focus on Amazon FBA? Like, what should I refine my skills? What should I master? And of course, that's going to be product research. If you can find an amazing product and bring it to the correct target audience, that is like the key. That's the whole summed up vision of what we're doing on Amazon, right? So if you can do that, you're going to be incredibly wealthy and successful. You might fail a couple times, but that's part of the game, right? So I'm not saying you're not going to fail, but point is, guys, I have this bundle for you if you want to take advantage of it. I don't know how long it's going to be there. Sometimes I'll get to give you guys certain links, and then sometimes they get taken away and different deals pop up. So this is a great way to take advantage of it. And if you don't have it already, it is a great place to start. Of course, that's going to wrap it up for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate every single one of you. Please keep coming back. If you're new here, my name is Paul. Welcome. I'd love to have you as a subscriber. Keep coming back. Everything's going to be free, guys. Of course, all my YouTube content is free. My course is donation based, so you can technically get it for free. The only thing that I ever charge for, I'm stingy with my time. I'm not stingy with my money, okay? So we all have a limited amount of time. If you ever wanted to do a one-on-one call with me, it's the only thing that I charge for, and that is a one-on-one coaching call. The link is in the description. It's $100. You get unlimited contact with me through Skype messaging. Every day you can message me. And of course, you get calls with me, 30-minute calls every single month. Go ahead and leave a comment down below if you found anything here helpful. If you have Jungle Scout already, maybe have some tips for the new guys, or if you're going to be purchasing through that link, I'd love to hear that I helped you out. So other than that, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.